Hakarange Chineke dị ndụ, n'elu anyị n'obi anyị, anyị bụ nke ya. In the silence, hear the calling voices from eternity, marking those who stand unshaken, walking in His purity. Not by power, not by might, but by His Spirit and His light. We are chosen, set apart. He is writing on our hearts. Consecrate us, make us whole. Upon your own, we will stand forever, marked by you alone. Through the trials I won't fall. In the fire you remain, anyagari atwegu. We will not be afraid. Keep our garments pure and white, children walking in the light. Nahagi Kanye Guzo, in your name we stand, held forever in your hands. Seal us, Lord, with holy fire. Mark us with your truth divine. In this hour, lift us higher. Let your glory in us shine. Seal of the living God. Seal of the living God. Your own. Well, we will stand forever, marked by you alone. Onyege guzo, who shall stand? Dinke Chineke, onyeja akara, who is sealed in soya. Who shall stand? Akara, akara, onyege Chineke, onyeja. Rogani nakani 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 nakani. Onyege guzo, who shall stand? Onyege guzo, onyege guzo, who shall stand? Dinke Chineke, onyeja akara, onyeja akara, din soya, who shall stand? Din soya, onyeja akara, 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 nke Chineke, who shall stand? Rogani nakani, onyeja, ahayadi, onyeja. Seal us, Lord, we won't be shaken. Though the earth may pass away, by your truth we are awakened. We will walk the narrow way. Seal of the living God, now and evermore. We are yours completely, yours forevermore. Akaranke Chineke.